Hello there, it's Mario, your host and the creator of MRA. Welcome to our channel. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of passive income with our MRA Playbook. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, this playbook is designed to guide you on the path to financial freedom. It's a journey filled with learning and perhaps a few chuckles along the way. So, stick around and let's navigate this together. Stay tuned until the end of the video, as we have an exciting announcement about our next release. Diving right in, let's first understand what passive income is. Imagine you're a musician. You pour your heart and soul into creating a beautiful piece of music, and then you get paid every time someone downloads or streams your song. That's passive income. It's the money you earn from an investment, project, or venture that doesn't require your constant active involvement. Now let's compare this to active income. In a conventional job, you trade your time for money. You clock in, work for a set number of hours, and get paid for those hours. That's active income. If you stop working, the money stops coming in. It's as simple as that. But passive income, that's a different beast altogether. It's like planting a seed, nurturing it, and then enjoying the fruits of your labor over and over again. It continues to bring in money even when you're not actively working on it. It's making money while you sleep, so to speak. Why is passive income important, you ask? Well, it's a key component to achieving financial freedom. It allows you to earn money without tying you down to a regular 9-to-5 job. It provides a safety net, a cushion if you will, that can support you if you decide to take a career break, switch jobs, or even retire early. It's a way to earn money on your terms. But here's the kicker. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires upfront work, investment, and sometimes a bit of risk. But once it's set up and running, it can provide a steady stream of income, rain, or shine. Now, why does a duck have feathers? To cover its bill. And why do we all need passive income? To cover our bills without breaking a sweat. Now that we've understood what passive income is, let's explore the MRA Playbook. The MRA Passive Income Playbook is a comprehensive guide to achieving financial freedom. This playbook, envisioned and crafted by our very own Mario, focuses on 3 pivotal principles: diversification, investing in income-generating assets, and the reinvestment of profits. Let's delve deeper into these principles and see how they can transform your financial future. Now, the first principle, diversification, is not just about spreading your eggs across different baskets. It's about strategically selecting those baskets. It's about balancing risk and reward by investing in a mix of assets, such as real estate, stocks, and bonds. For instance, while real estate might provide a steady stream of rental income, stocks could offer potential capital gains. Diversification, in essence, is a safety net that ensures your financial survival when one asset class doesn't perform as expected. The second principle of the MRA Playbook is investing in assets that generate income. We're not talking about assets that just look good on paper. We're talking about assets that work for you, that bring in a consistent income. Imagine owning a small forest of money trees, each tree dropping a steady stream of cash. That's what income-generating assets are like. They could be rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or even a side business that doesn't require your constant attention. These assets keep padding your bank account, whether you're working, sleeping, or sipping margaritas on a beach somewhere. Now, let's move on to the third principle: reinvesting profits. When your assets start generating income, it's tempting to splurge. But the MRA Playbook encourages you to reinvest those profits. For instance, if you've invested in dividend-paying stocks and those dividends start rolling in, don't just spend that money. Reinvest it, buy more shares, and watch your income potential multiply. It's like planting the seeds from your money trees to grow an even bigger forest. Now you must be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I get started? Well, the MRA Playbook doesn't just provide the principles, it also guides you on how to apply them. It's like having a personal financial coach, guiding you every step of the way. It helps you identify potential income-generating assets, teaches you how to manage and grow your investments, and even provides strategies for mitigating risks. Before we wrap up, let's lighten the mood with a couple of money jokes. Why don't we ever tell secrets around money? Because it always makes sense. And here's another one for you. Why did the dollar bill break up with the penny? Because it felt it didn't make much sense being together. And that's the MRA Playbook in a nutshell. But how do you implement it? Let's find out. Implementing the MRA Playbook may seem daunting, but with some guidance, it can be quite straightforward. Now let's dive into the journey of unlocking financial freedom step by step. First things first, you need to set your financial goals. What is it that you aim to achieve with your investments? It could be as simple as saving for retirement, funding your child's education, or buying a dream house. Remember, your goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Once you've set your goals, it's time to move to the next step. Next, it's time to understand your risk tolerance. Investing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Everyone has a different level of comfort when it comes to taking financial risks. Some might be more inclined towards high-risk, high-reward investments, while others might prefer a slow and steady approach. Understanding your risk tolerance will help you choose the right investment strategies. Now, armed with your financial goals and understanding of risk, you're ready to select your investments. The MRA Playbook offers a multiplicity of investment options, each with its unique risk and reward profile. They can range from real estate and stocks to bonds and mutual funds. It's essential to diversify your investment portfolio to spread the risk. Once you've made your investments, it's time to monitor them. Keep a close eye on your investments, how they're performing, and whether they're helping you achieve your financial goals. Remember, investing is not a set-it-and-forget-it activity. It requires regular monitoring and adjustments. Speaking of adjustments, it's crucial to review and adjust your investment strategies periodically. The market is dynamic, and so should be your investment strategies. If an investment is not performing as expected, don't hesitate to make adjustments. It could mean shifting funds from one investment to another, or it might involve changing your investment strategy altogether. Lastly, but most importantly, keep learning. The world of investing is vast and ever-changing. The more you learn, the better you'll become at navigating it. Read books, attend seminars, join online forums, and don't shy away from seeking advice from financial advisors. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to investing. So, to recap, implementing the MRA Playbook involves setting financial goals, understanding your risk tolerance, selecting your investments, monitoring them, making necessary adjustments, and never stopping learning. It's a journey, not a destination. But with patience, perseverance, and the right guidance, it can lead you straight to the path of financial freedom. And there you have it. That's how you implement the MRA Playbook to start earning passive income. I hope you found this guide to the MRA Passive Income Playbook informative and helpful. We've delved deep into the concept of passive income, shedding light on how it can be a game changer in your journey towards financial freedom. We've also unraveled the MRA Playbook, a tried and tested approach to creating sustainable passive income streams. To quickly recap, we started with understanding passive income and its power to transform your financial landscape. We then introduced the MRA Playbook, a comprehensive guide designed to help you navigate the world of passive income. We walked you through the implementation process, shedding light on how to put the playbook into action. Now it's time for you to take the reins. Start your passive income journey, and remember, MRA is right here to support you every step of the way. As the old saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So don't wait, start today. Before we wrap up, here's a couple of money jokes to lighten the mood. Why don't we tell secrets in a bank? Because it's full of tellers. And here's another one for you. What's a banker's favorite type of tree? A money tree, of course. Thank you for sticking with us till the end of the video. As promised, here's the exciting announcement. Our next release is Mastering Rental Assets, the Unlimited Passive Income Guide. Stay tuned for more financial wisdom. Until then, this is Mario, signing off. Before we head into our end sting, we'd like to make something clear. Although we're passionate about topics related to finance and passive income, we are fundamentally an educational channel. The information provided in this video, and all our content, is intended for educational purposes only. it's crucial to understand that it should not be taken as financial advice. We strongly recommend consulting with a professional financial advisor before making any significant financial decisions based on the information shared in our videos. Your financial situation is unique, and what works for one person may not work for you. Always do your due diligence before diving into any financial endeavor. Now, having clarified that, let's take a quick peek into our next release. As announced, our upcoming video is Mastering Rental Assets, the Unlimited Passive Income Guide. We'll be diving into the world of rental assets, exploring how they can become a reliable source of passive income. We'll share insights, tips, and strategies to help you navigate this exciting avenue. So, stay tuned for more financial wisdom and learning. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. This is Mario. See you in our next video.